I'm Dr. Bhardwaj, and there is a disturbing new trend that we are seeing currently as far as our medical consultation and practice is concerned. And I would like to request you to kindly watch this video and share your views as well as understand what is going on here. In the current situation of Instagram, Facebook, and constant social media presence, we sometimes forget that a medical consultation is a very confidential procedure. It is a very confidential interaction between the doctor and the patient, and sometimes between the doctor, the patient, and the patient's attendant. And we must respect that. We must understand the sanctity of a medical consultation. And I wanted to highlight certain things that happen in the current situation, which we find extremely disturbing. And as doctors, we would like to highlight to you that these are trends that we need to avoid because it causes a lot of disturbance in the patient-doctor relationship, and it also tends to destroy the confidentiality of a doctor-patient consultation process, which is an extremely sacred one. The first trend I am seeing is I go to examine a patient and my back is to the attendant, and unknown to me, the attendant is shooting a video of whatever I am doing with the patient, whether it be a procedure to remove wax or some consultation process. And unknown to me and any other staff, a video is being shot without any permission and without the knowledge of persons who are involved in this. This is a gross violation of the safety of a patient-doctor relationship. Please avoid this. Do not shoot a video inside a medical consultation room without taking prior permission or involving all the stakeholders to see whether this act of yours is permissible. The second thing, a similar situation to this is audio recording. There have been instances when a patient and I are discussing and the patient's attendant is doing an audio recording unknown to me or to the other stakeholders in this consultation process. This also is a violation of the privacy of a patient-doctor relationship. I can understand there are certain situations where as a doctor with concern for my patient and the attendants will also offer you may record this, but this has to be mutually accepted. For instance, if the parent of a child is out of station, busy with certain work, and a child is unwell and a caretaker or a grandparent has brought the child, I would myself volunteer that I will mention the things that are wrong with the child. You may please forward this message of mine to the parent. We have enough concern for our patients to show this kind of consideration, and we will do it voluntarily. We will do it on our own. But without the knowledge of all the stakeholders, without knowing the sanctity and privacy and confidentiality of a doctor-patient relationship, please do not violate this by shooting videos without knowledge. Please do not violate this by recording audio recordings because it is a very disturbing trend and we must put a stop. The third disturbing trend that we see, a doctor-patient consultation is a brief but very meaningful interaction. A patient has come sometimes from long distances to talk to the doctor to discuss his or her medical problem, where the least that the patient expects is that the doctor will listen patiently, examine properly, investigate if required, explain the nature of the problem, and also further follow-up if required will be discussed with the patient. In this process, if the patient continues to talk on the phone or continues to be distracted by their phone which is in their hands, the whole process is nullified. The sanctity as well as the seriousness of the consultation process goes for a 6. The doctor fails to make an impact in that consultation process. A normal consultation process in India takes about 5 to 7 minutes. It is easy for you to avoid attending to your phone for that brief period of time. Please take that consultation process and that brief period seriously. Please avoid attending to your phone. There have been instances while I'm examining a patient, the patient picks up a phone to attend to it for simple and trivial reasons. I can understand if there is a family emergency or if there is something that is out of the ordinary. Everybody understands we are all human. We participate in an emergency situation by cooperating. But largely these are trivial calls. They are trivial events. They are updates that are being responded to. Please avoid doing that. Please understand the sanctity and importance of a consultation process with your doctor. You have gone there with a problem, you have grief, you have anxiety, you have a medical problem, you have pain, you have discomfort. Please listen to the doctor. Please give the doctor the opportunity to explain the nature of the problem as well as the remedies to you. Please do not distract yourself or the doctor by consulting your phone during this brief period. These are trends that we have seen, and I understand the impact and the ubiquitous presence of social media in our lives and the constant desire to update people around us about what we are doing and where we are. But the consultation process between a doctor and a patient is very special. It is confidential. It is very, very meaningful. Please try and adhere to basic principles of a doctor-patient consultation.
From diagnosis to treatment, complete ENT care under one roof at MedFirst ENT Centre. Book now your appointment.